Well, May of 2020 is very unusual as COVID has turned life upside down and transformed life for all of us. Um, but as we decided to have May as Bladder Cancer Awareness Month to have even more initiatives on raising awareness, public awareness about this very common cancer, because too often the first time people hear about bladder cancer is when they are diagnosed, and that should never happen. So we use May as an opportunity um, to work with our volunteers all across the country in their own communities to raise awareness about this disease so that people are aware of the signs and symptoms of bladder cancer. And just so everybody knows, the most common symptom and sign of bladder cancer is blood in your urine. Blood in your urine is never normal. You should always talk to your doctor about it. There are many reasons for it. It's not just bladder cancer, but it is never normal. So in May, in past years, we've had walks all around the country, walks to end bladder cancer. Everybody in their orange t-shirts, raising money and raising awareness in their local community. We, of course, had to pivot this May because we weren't allowed to gather in large groups, but it was wonderful. We had in the first Saturday of May, BCAN had its first virtual walk to end bladder cancer. And we had thousands of participants in more than 45 states all across the country, raising awareness and walking together, walking virtually in their communities. And I think it was just a wonderful demonstration of both the commitment and the dedication that we have from our community, our volunteers, our survivors and their families all across the country, to not let COVID stop our efforts to continue to make the public aware of bladder cancer and to continue to be sure that those people who are diagnosed with the disease know that BCAN exists, know that there are resources, education, information for you so that nobody ever has to feel alone. And in that regard, I want to direct everybody to our website at www.bcan.org, where we have just a ton of resources and information to help you as you go through your bladder cancer journey, and also to connect you with other survivors. So again, nobody ever has to feel like they don't have the support and the community that they need.